likod ko. Charot. So kami lang duha ni ante. Matag Costco para uli ng among kuan coffee maker kay kanang gikapoy si Ram. So hindi lang siya sa sakyanan.
Bali na kayo.
This one. Merchandise return. Oh no. Long. Hmm? Long line. It's long. It's gonna be 141.30. Okay, so nauli na namo itong coffee maker. Namin diri sa may kuan. Coffee machine na aisle. Dapit. Blender man ni blender. Auto ara. Kita may og replacement. Kanang simple bati. Wala man sila simple. Di na mo, di may ganahan ano. Okay, so wala may nakita kay lain man, so wala na inato nga style, so mangita na lang mi sa lain or mo order mi online. Tan-aw pug kuaning kuan oh. Microwave oven kay ang amo. Nakuan old na siya, need na ma-replacement. Yeah, basin makuha pug kuan next time. $49 lang. Te! $49 lang. Pero di sa kumukuha. Pero mahurot na pina next time. Okay, magkuha mig isa kay palitan ko ni auntie. Okay, og isa. Gaduro di. Nasa. Dali. Para bago jud ba. Palitan ko niya isa. Yeah, salamat din. Okay, nanak ko isa ka magbayad.
Oo. Dili na kasulti.
Sa kung ala na po?
Pila ka seconds bang oh.
Taas ka ang pila daw. Dagang kay tao. So, nakita si Rab. Oh, coffee maker there. Oh, this one seems... But I don't like it because the water is on the back. It's like super, you know...
Yeah, that is
the space. I like it too.
Let's see.
the water is at the back. Inana tong sa tigong.
You can turn it around and put the water in the front, boo. Easy. This one is different.
No, this is just a cups.
Yeah, that's durable.
Or they made it so you can.
Keurig. Let me check. Let's find another one. I don't like that.
I think that is 200.
Also,
$191.35. It's gonna ask how you want your receipt before you pay.
but it is operational. It's just old, and I just don't want it to. Wait, where are we gonna put this? Where are we gonna park?
It's here.
Is it close?
I don't. Okay, pagawas na gikan sa... Isa tawagan ito? Staple. Nalang may gipalit. Sarap! Oh, we're going that side too. Woo! That is nice.
Boo!
Okay, put that one here.
Who's that machine?